Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial and thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we have a new upload, you'll get notified. And for the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support. Thank you for the likes and sweet comments. You really motivate me to keep on creating more tutorials for you. And today we're going to learn how to crochet the Sedge stitch, a very beautiful stitch, and it has the same texture on both sides since we are working in rows, and it's worked in clusters of single crochet, half double crochet and double crochets. I hope you're going to enjoy this tutorial to the end. Please remember to give it a like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. Let's get started. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to use a 4mm crochet hook and a medium weight yarn. So in our today's video we're going to work a foundation chain of multiples of 3 plus 2. So start with a slip knot and I'm going to chain 24 plus 2, so that is a total of 26. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 until I have 26 chains. Okay, so once you have your foundation chain, skip the first chain from the hook and in the second make a single crochet followed by a half double crochet followed by a double crochet. So this is the first cluster. Skip 2 chains and in the third make a single crochet followed by a half double crochet and a double crochet in the same chain. Skip 2 chains, 1 2, in the third make a single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet. Skip 2 chains, 1 2, and in the third make a single crochet followed by a half double crochet and a double crochet. Skip 2 chains, in the third a single crochet followed by a half double crochet and then a double crochet in the same space. Skip 2 chains and in the third a single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet. So we are repeating, making these clusters of single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet all the way to the end. One, two, single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet. So we have 3 chains remaining. We're going to skip these 2 and in the last chain we make a single crochet, and that is how we complete the first row of the Sedge stitch. So to begin the next row, chain 1 and turn your work. In this row 2 we are going to start with a cluster of single crochet in this very first stitch. So insert your hook, make a single crochet followed by a half double crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. Then we skip 2 stitches and in the third make a single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 stitches, and in the third a single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. So we are working in the single crochet stitch, so we skip the double crochet and half double crochet, and our third stitch is the single crochet from the previous row, and that is where we are making the clusters, and we are going to repeat this pattern all the way to the end. Okay, so when you get to the last cluster, skip these 2 stitches and go into the last stitch, which is the single crochet, where you make your last single crochet. Then chain 1 to begin a new row and repeat what you did in row 2. So start with a cluster of single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet in the very first stitch. Then skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and make another cluster right there. So the sedge stitch is very simple and it moves so fast. So if you're looking forward to a stitch that works so fast, this is one of them. You can make a blanket, you can make a scarf, and even a sweater with this stitch. And it's very beautiful with a very nice texture. Yeah, so keep on making these clusters until you master the pattern, and I'll meet you at the end. So once again, when you get to the last cluster, skip 2 stitches and make your last single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1 to begin a new row, and repeat the pattern until you have the number of rows or the desired length of whatever you're making with the sedge stitch. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial up to this point. Remember to give this video a like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.